What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Astronauts gotta eat their fruit. I'm fascinated with astronaut food, and this is whole strawberries made by the people at astronautfoods.com. I picked this up because I'm just fascinated with it. I know that they kind of say it's astronaut food, but all it really is freeze-dried food, kind of like Mountain House or any of the backpacking food. But it's in this really cool-looking pouch. Like if you go to NASA and saw this on the shelf, it's really beautiful in this foil pouch here, very light, and I'd be drawn in by how shiny it is and how pretty. So freeze-dried whole strawberries is what it says here. Now, only half an ounce is what this ends up becoming here. So I'm just gonna push these down from the top here. And best by January 2022. So shelf stable to say the least. Ooh, look at that. Ah, they truly are whole strawberries. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? I mean, they've got the seeds on them and everything. If I rotate it over there, you can see, hopefully, that looks like strawberry. Now, because it's freeze-dried, it's like light. It feels like styrofoam almost, but I can bite it open. Wow. Just the moistness in your mouth brings out that strawberry flavor. Very good. It's kind of funny that they have that much shape even when you dehydrate them. I guess they just become less dense. I guess you're just supposed to pop these in your mouth. I guess I didn't look at the instructions here. Yeah, it doesn't say to like hydrate them or anything. What I do think is funny, it's how much they taste like strawberries, but they are. But just that, without the moisture, without the water, how much that flavor still comes out. They really does come out. I also like the fact that they are made in Colorado, and I believe the company's in Boulder, Colorado, right there. A wonderful town, heavily overpriced, but super cool place. Anyway, look, freeze-dried strawberries. I like this. I wouldn't get them just for a snack because they're expensive. But I would take these on a backpacking trip out in the wilderness as a delicious after-dinner treat because they are delicious. Look at that. I'm starting to get strawberry powder on my fingers. It's like evidence. In case you are missing your freeze-dried strawberry, you can just look at people's hands. Look at strawberry hands! Ooh, I like them. Check it out, Astronaut Foods. They eat fruit in space too. Peter Von Panda. Out!